Hi everyone, today I will show you how to do with Lattice in 3ds Max to do the structure or the frame. Uh, First of all, to create this dome structure, we will create the shape of this. You go to the create shape and then create the geosphere. There are a couple of adjustments you can play around with here. One is radius, you can increase it or decrease it. Yeah, and the segment, the type of geodesic base type, I go with the Acusar, and you can do smooth, hemispheres, or the whole sphere. I will go this setting, and then we go to the modify list and choose lattice, and there are a couple of parameter you can play around with. The truss, the radius of truss, you can increase it. And this is the choice here. You can increase the size of it like this, and different type of choice. I go with this one. Yeah, and another one you can play around with is the lattice. For this, you can go with the T-port. Open the okay. I want to do 900. You can play here, convert it into editable poly, and go to modify list and choose this one here, the polygon. And I want to select the part of this and go to modifier and do the parametric deformer and choose the lattice. You can untick this one and it will give you the part of this, and you can also adjust the same as with the done before. Increase it and play around with the droid. Thank you, that's all.